Hi, my name is Saad Chalabi. I'm CEO of XCube, a newly formed fintech aiming to strengthen the competitiveness of capital markets in Dubai.
Hi, I'm Shadal Shamsi. I'm a student at the American University of Sharjah studying economics and data science.
Hi, I'm Saad.
Hi, I'm Shada. It's nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you as well. Tell me, Shada, what does trading or investing mean to you?
You know, I only just started learning about it in class, but what I know is if someone buys, for example, a company stock and that company makes money, then that's how the person makes a profit. It's kind of investing, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You're absolutely right with that. But did you know that the investing world is a lot larger than just stocks? Have you heard of derivatives and futures?
Not really. What are derivatives?
Well, with stocks, as you know, when you invest in a company and the company does well, you could profit by getting paid the dividends. The company will pay you dividends and you get paid out that way. Or the stock actually ends up going higher and you make money that way. But with futures, you have the ability to make money if the company does well or if the company does bad.
Wait, so you're saying I could profit if the company does badly?
Yes, you could. So by selling the future first and then buying it at a lower price, you end up making money.
So you're investing in the future?
Absolutely. Let's take it back to the basics. So let's say you were a dates farmer and your dates are not going to be ready for another 2 months. But you're worried that the price of dates is going to fall over this next 2 months. So you want to lock in today's prices, but you don't have those dates. So one thing you could do is you could sell a future on the dates today, lock in that price, and then in 2 months when your dates are ready and you deliver them, you still delivered them at that higher price, even though the price of dates was lower in 2 months.
Okay, so the whole idea is that you're locking in the price, the initial price.
Absolutely. It's exactly what you're doing.
Okay, but that's dates. How does that translate into company stocks?
Well, let's give you another example. Imagine you were on an airplane and you noticed that there were very little passengers on the plane. Mm-hmm. So you started to maybe wonder, well, maybe this airline is not going to do so well with very little passengers on their flights. So you say, okay, well, maybe I think the stock is going to be lower in a month's time. So one way you could benefit from that is you would go and sell a future on that airline. And then in a month or two, if you turned out to be right and the stock was down 10%, you would have made some money.
Okay. So from what I understand, you have the stock and you sell it at the higher price before the price goes down.
No, not really.
It's not?
You don't have the stock. You just have you can get into a future stock without having the stock at all. So you could just sell the futures without having anything. And lock that in, just like the dates farmer.
Okay.
The dates farmer sold the dates future. He didn't have the dates. Dates weren't ready for another 2 months.
Okay.
So you could do the same thing with stocks. You could sell a future first. You don't have the airline, but you sell it first, lock in that higher price. And then if it goes lower in a month, you've made money because you're going to buy it at a lower price.
Okay, so you make money even if the company is doing badly, like you mentioned.
Absolutely. So that gives you the ability to make money even if it won't.
Okay, I understand that. I get it. That's cool. That's cool.